Okay, so in this video, we are going to turn this page into a highly professional landing page, and we're going to be promoting a ClickBank offer. So it's going to take us a couple minutes, and we're going to be ready to start earning commissions immediately from clickbank.com, which is an affiliate network, and I'm going to show you every single step, and we'll be ready to start sending traffic immediately to start earning commissions. So here we're going to change the landing page immediately using OptimizePress. So back here in the WordPress settings, as you recall, we installed OptimizePress. So now we want to create a new page. So I've clicked on Create New Page, and what we've done at PowerhouseAffiliate.com is we've actually created a really high converting landing page template. So I'm going to use a template here rather than using one of the pre-built ones for now. These pre-built ones are really good for collecting leads and building landing pages as well. So inside OptimizePress, you can choose any of these. But right now, let's go use the one from PowerhouseAffiliate.com members area, and I'm going to show you what's inside there. So when you log in to your Powerhouse Affiliate members area, you're actually going to see the dashboard in here, and over on the left side we have a whole bunch of stuff, including training and a forum and webinars, case studies. But what you want to do is you want to actually click on the resources tab, and you want to go to the landing page templates, and in here we've actually got a lot of templates. As you can see, we have stuff on casino, gaming, we have diabetes, easy loan, CBD, teeth whitening, a ton of landing pages here that convert extremely well, especially on the traffic sources that we train on, and some of the live campaigns we're running that we show you. But right now we're looking for this one here. It's called the PA Premium, and OP stands for OptimizePress. So we've created the OptimizePress landing page here, and we're going to use this as we promote a ClickBank product. So I'm going to download this, and I'm just going to save it in my downloads here as the PA OptimizePress template. And then I'm going to come back into the Create New Page for OptimizePress, and I'm going to browse and add that into here. So I'm just going to look for that again. Here it is. I'm going to open it, and then it's got the information right here. So now I just want to hit install now, and now as you can see it says content template installed successfully. So now I'm just going to scroll down, and I should see that now right here in the sales pages section. So if I just use this template, I'll be ready to start promoting an affiliate offer immediately. So let me just name the page. We'll just call it Affiliate Game. And you can check availability if you want to see if you already have a page named to that, but I know I don't, so I'm just going to create the page and let it load here. And now what we want to do is we want to have a look at this landing page. This is an actual landing page that converts extremely well, and it's built for affiliate marketers like yourself watching this if you want to promote a ClickBank product. And we're going to actually choose the ClickBank product that is being promoted on this page, and we're going to edit the links on this page so that they actually go to your affiliate offer, and you will actually make money if people click on the links. So as you can see, there's a lot of content on this page, and it's actually really good. It's got a really good headline here. Discover how one lone wolf affiliate marketer generated 1.5 million clicks and 2,070,000 in commissions. So this is the training that we're providing inside Powerhouse Affiliate, and Powerhouse Affiliate is the actual affiliate program that we're going to be talking about here. So what we want to do is we also want to just kind of scroll down and look, and it's all written in the third person. So as an affiliate marketer, if you're promoting this page, it looks like you're the one who actually wrote this. And it's a review kind of style page where it's talking about this training program, and it goes through some of the evidence here and some members who have gotten paid using this training program, and all the way down to the bottom where you can sign up and yes, I want real results, and this is where you would put your affiliate link. And we have more calls to action below. Again, here another one. And we're going to change all these buttons to your affiliate link, and we're going to do that right now. And first we need to go to clickbank.com. So we've just added Powerhouse Affiliate Training Program to the affiliate marketplace at ClickBank. So it's pretty much a brand new affiliate program that you can take part in now. All you have to do here is search Powerhouse Affiliate, and it should come up in the marketplace at the top here. So right here, if you have a clickbank.com account, you can come here and immediately start promoting this offer. So you just click on this promote link, and you're going to put your account nickname, and you're going to generate the hop link here, and that's the link we're going to use inside that page that we've just uploaded. So 1 minute, I'm going to put my ID in here, and then we're going to put that link. Okay, so I have put my account nickname here, and I generated the hop link. So now I just want to click the copy button, and let's go back to the create new page, and let's edit these links with our affiliate link so that we can start earning commissions if anybody comes to this page and clicks through. So let's go down here, and the first one we will edit is this one. So there's a little edit button here. Just come in here and let that load up, and we want to change this to your actual affiliate link. So there you go, and then click insert, and that'll update. And now we want to go down, and we also want to do the same for this one, and we're going to do that for all the buttons on this page. So we're just going to paste the link in here, and once you've done all the buttons on this page, all you need to do is come over here and set this to publish, and then you want to hit save and continue, and that'll save the page, and it'll be live on the internet. So now what we want to do, once this is saved, as you can see now it's saved, you can click OK. You can close this. And if you want this page that we just created to be the one that's on your home page, then if you come down over here on the left side and you go to settings right here, and you go reading, we can change the home page to a static page that we've just created, which is affiliate game. So we're going to select that, and now we're going to save changes. So now once this is saved, if I come over here and refresh affiliate marketing game, we are going to see the actual landing page that we've just created in a matter of minutes. So let's just let this load up, and as you can see, there you go. This page is now actually ready to start earning commissions immediately. If you just take this link here and start getting traffic to it, you will start getting clicks to your ClickBank link, because people will read this page, and then if they want real results, they will click here, and as you can see, it's going to the ClickBank offer. So now all you need to do is to get traffic to this page, and there are many ways to get traffic to this page. Now, in the next video, I'm going to start talking about a few more things that are important for affiliate marketers, but if you are looking to make money quickly, then this is probably the quickest way you can start making money as an affiliate. Now, there's a whole bunch more information you need to understand. You need to understand how to track landing pages and how to test them. And it's really easy to track and test if you're using a third-party software, and you can see which pages are converting better. But I can assure you, we have tested this page and we know it converts. All you need to do is get people that are looking to make money online to come to this page and click through the affiliate link, and you will start getting paid through ClickBank every single month. So this is a recurring type of billing. So what you're going to earn here is you're going to actually earn 75% up front and 35% monthly recurring, which is actually a really generous affiliate program. A lot of our members stick around for the training and live sessions, so this is actually a good one to promote, and you'll have the recurring revenue as well. So in the next video, like I said, I'm going to start talking more about getting traffic to this page and some tracking solutions that you need to look at, and how you can turn this into an actual cash generating website, including a blog and other things that are important for moving forward as an affiliate marketer.